Hello and welcome. But firstly, thank you very much for participating in this year's My Face My Body Awards. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of judging each entry via the MyFaceMyBody account system. Please log into your account using the URL, username and password which will be supplied to you by the MyFaceMyBody team. Next, click on the Awards tab. Then click on the Awards Judging button. This page shows all of the categories and the number of entries you need to score within each category. You can also see the number of entries you have already scored. The coloured box will remain pink until you have scored all of the required entries. The box will then turn green to let you know you've completed scoring for that category. Click on a category name to view the entries in that category. On this page you will be able to see each entry along with the overall weighted score you have given to the entry. The scoring complete column will change to a yes with a green background once you have scored all criteria for the entry. Click the company name to score the entry. Clicking on the entry URL will open the public entry in a new browser tab. You can then refer to the public entry when scoring the award. Under the Supporting Evidence Files section, you will see any files which have been uploaded to support the entry. These are confidential and will not show on the public entry page. Click the Open File link next to any supporting evidence files to open them. If there are no supporting evidence files for the entry, a message will be displayed here to confirm this. Under the Guide to Scoring, there are guidelines as to how you should score each criteria on a scale of 1 to 10. The next section breaks down each category you need to score with a description of what needs to be assessed. This section also shows the weighted scores and percentages based on your scoring. For more information on how the weighting works, please refer to the judging process document sent to you by the MyFaceMyBody team. Please note that these figures will update once you have clicked the Save Your Score button. Pick your score from 1 to 10 from the drop-down box once you've made a decision. Ensure that you click the Save Your Score button. You'll then get a confirmation that your score has been saved. Click the Back to Awards category index button to return to the list of entries. You will see that it now says yes in the Scoring Complete column next to the entry you have just scored. The box has also turned green to let you know you have finished scoring that entry. Please repeat the process until all entries are showing as complete. Please know that you do not need to do them all in one go. You can score as many as you like and then return later to score more entries. You can click on the Back to Awards Entry Index button to return to the list of categories. Once you have finished your scoring session, we recommend logging out of your account by clicking on the Log Out button. Thank you very much, and please don't hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or feedback.